Hi guys, good morning. I am here to discuss one more topic here. The topic for the today is recursion, where we will discuss what is recursion, why we use recursion in a language, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of recursion. Let's start recursion. Here the topic, the word recursion. Recursion means to use again and again until the object will achieve its position, which is known as base class or base operation. Here we will discuss first of all what is recursive. Recursion means, and this is the adjective recursive, which is abstracted from Latin verb recurrere, which means to run back, means a kind of feature which run back itself. And this, what a recursive definition or a recursive function does, it is running back or running to itself. The point is that a recursive is a kind of feature which running to itself. Most of people have done some mathematics, means the person who belong to mathematics or computer science or programming background, they know it well. There is a concept factorial. In factorial, a value is repeated until it reaches its base. Like one, here I have a factorial of n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. If n is greater than 1 and f1 equal to 1, means here suppose we have a value of 5 for n. If we try to get out the factorial, then 5 into 5 minus 1 into 5 into 4 minus 1 and so on. It will continue until the value of n is equal to or greater than 1. When it reaches the less than 1, then the operation will stop. Here recursion is a way of programming or coding a problem in which a function call itself one or more times in its body. यानी कि when a function call itself one or more time in its body, then it is called recursion. Usually it is returning the return value of this function. Here this is the recursion, where it call itself, again it call itself, and then so on. It will call itself until it become greater than or equal to 1. If a function definition fulfill the condition of recursion, we call this function a recursive function, or we can say that the process in which a function call itself, directly or indirectly is called recursion, and the corresponding function is called recursive functions. In the second slide we have the example, means in simple word recursion क्या है हमारा, the process in which a function call itself directly or indirectly. Using recursion algorithm, certain problem can be solved quite easily. Example यहाँ पे हमारा दिया है भी, हमने बताया कि it will continue until it reaches its base condition. Base condition क्या होती है? What is base condition in recursion? In the recursive program, the solution to the base case is provided, and solution of the bigger problem is expressed in term of a smaller problem. यानी कि हमारे पास एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, उस प्रॉब्लम्स को हमने मॉड्यूल्स में डिवाइड कर दिया, छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया। जब हम किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को एक स्मॉलर पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, इट इज नोन एज बेस कंडीशन। हियर वी हैव एन एग्जांपल वेयर वी हैव जस्ट राइट डाउन we want to get the factorial of a number. Here num equal to input enter a number, means user will enter a number which he want to recurse. Then I have a function fact and the parameter n. If n less than equal to 1, base case, means this operation will continue until the value of n is less than or equal to 1. तो क्या करेगा, ये रिटर्न कर देगा 1 को, अदरवाइज क्या करेगा, रिटर्न करेगा n into fact n minus 1. Suppose in the last one we have do the same, n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1, this is the factor. Here in the above example, base case for n less than equal to 1 is defined and larger value of number can be solved by converting to smaller one till it reaches base case. जब तक ये base case में नहीं आएगी, so we have the value of 5 and it reaches its base case when according that condition we minus 1 from the value. 5 into 5 minus 1, then 5 into 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 only. This is the base case. Again we have termination condition. When it will terminate, a recursive function has to terminate to be used in a program. A recursive function terminates if with every cursor call the solution of the problem is downsized and moves towards a base class. A base class is a case where the problem can be solved without further recursion. Recursion can lead to an infinite loop if the base case is not met in the cards. Here we have an example where we have defined a function named as factorial and we have a parameter n. Then we have just a message print factorial has been called with n equal to जो भी हमारा ये n है इसका हमने कास्टिंग कर दिया स्ट्रिंग के अंदर. Then if n equal to 1 रिटर्न 1, यानी कि यदि हमारी n की वैल्यू जो हम एंटर करेंगे यदि हमारी 1 होगी तो हमारा रिजल्ट जो आएगा वो आएगा 1. यदि हमारा n इक्वल टू 1 नहीं है देन क्या होगा, n इंटू फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 1. जस्ट लाइक हियर फैक्टोरियल हैज बीन कॉल्ड विद n इक्वल टू 4. अब यहाँ पे क्योंकि n माइनस 1 लिया है हमने, वैल्यू हमने जो आर्ग्यूमेंट पास किया है वो हमने पास किया है 4. जब 4 पास करेंगे तो पहले 4 आ गया मेरा, फिर 3, फिर 2, फिर 1, मीन्स माइनस 1 मेरा यहाँ पे हो रहा है. माइनस 1, माइनस 1, माइनस 1 and it will continue until the value of n become 1. Then it will just find out the same. Here this is 2, इनके 1 into 2, then 2 into 3, then 6 into 4. Means these are the values 3, 2, 1. Oh sorry, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, and it is calling itself, so it is called a recursion. Here the in this example 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 factorial means 12 into, then 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2 factorial, 2 factorial equal to 2 into 1. Replacing the calculated value gives us the following expression: 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means it is 24 and the result is also here. Generally, we can say recursion in computer science is a method where the solution to a problem. Recursion computer science में क्या है कि जहां पे हमारा जो सॉल्यूशन है किसका टू ए प्रॉब्लम is based on solving smaller instances of the same problem. वही सेम प्रॉब्लम है, उसी को हम छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और उसके पार्ट्स हम तब तक डिवाइड कर रहे हैं जब तक हमारी वैल्यू इक्वल टू 1 नहीं हो जाती. Here we have to implement the factorial in Python. It is easy and elegant as the mathematical definition. Def factorial n, if n equal to 1 return 1, else return n into factorial n minus 1. एडवांटेज क्या है रिकर्शन के? रिकर्सिव फंक्शन मेक द कोड लुक क्लीन एंड एलिजेंट. कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क कैन बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू स्मॉलर सब प्रॉब्लम यूजिंग रिकर्शन. सीक्वेंस जनरेशन इज इजियर विद रिकर्शन देन यूजिंग सम नेस्टेड इटरेशन. If we don't have the recursion, then we can sort out the same problem with the help of iterative statement, means with the help of loop, where the problem become more complex. But recursion make this statement more easy for the user. There is also disadvantages of recursion, and the first disadvantage is that the logic behind recursion is hard to follow through. Recursive calls are expensive, means it will take memory and time, so the processing time is very large, and then recursive functions are hard to debug. यानी कि यदि वहां पे हमारी कोई एरर रिकर्शन में आ जाती है तो उसको हमारा फाइंड आउट करना टिपिकल वन होता है फॉर द यूजर. दिस इज ऑल फॉर द टुडे एंड एंजॉय द सेम. थैंक यू.